Welcome to Pierpont Community and Technical College's ASL Interpreter Education Program.
I decided to get into this field because my sister is deaf. Since I've started Pierpont Community College, my sister has definitely noticed a huge difference in my sign language. Now it's a lot better, and now when I talk to her, she gets really, really excited because I'm able to communicate more with her now.
Digital learning and distance learning are becoming a lot more popular, and a lot of people can't move to this community to take the interpreter training classes on their own. It's also, there's a time benefit. A lot of people who work full-time or work in the evenings, they can take these classes during the day and still go to work, and it doesn't infringe upon their family time or their work schedules.
The instructors here at Pierpont have been really helpful with being able to provide us with the materials that we need in order to become certified interpreters.
90% of our students will pass the EIPA or the VQAS assessment.
For Pierpont to offer this program means a great deal to all of its students. Being one of only 2 schools that offer the program, you can imagine your only other options to go out of state. So the fact that we can have that here in West Virginia, we can reach the deaf in West Virginia, is absolutely fantastic.